Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to install Hulu on your Chromecast with Google TV, step by step. Whether you want to stream your favorite shows, movies, or live TV, this guide will get you started quickly and easily. Step 1. Power on your Chromecast with Google TV. Plug your Chromecast into your TV's HDMI port and connect the power cable. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. Make sure your Chromecast is connected to Wi-Fi for a smooth setup. Step 2. Go to the home screen. Once your Chromecast is on, press the Home button on your Google TV remote to access the home screen. Step 3. Open the Google Play Store. From the home screen, scroll to Apps and select Search for Apps. This will open the Google Play Store, where you can find all available apps. Step 5. Search for Hulu. Type Hulu in the search bar using the on-screen keyboard. Make sure to select the official Hulu app from the search results. Step 6. Install Hulu. Click Install to download and install the Hulu app. The installation usually takes just a moment depending on your internet speed. Step 7. Open Hulu. Once installed, select Open to launch Hulu. You can also find the app later on your home screen under Your Apps. Step 8. Sign in or subscribe. If you already have a Hulu account, enter your email and password to sign in. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account and choose a subscription plan. Step 9. Start streaming. Once signed in, you can browse Hulu's library of movies, TV shows, and live channels. Use your Google TV remote to search, add favorites, and control playback. And that's it! Hulu is now ready on your Chromecast with Google TV, giving you endless entertainment options. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our step-by-step tutorials.